have to...
Okay, it's recording.
Hey, Presley, I think Santa came last night. Santa came. Do you think he left you anything? Do you think he got you any presents? Should you look under the tree? What's that? What is that? What do you have there?
What's that?
What's all this stuff Santa left you? Oh my God. There's a bed, high chair, and a stroller. Nice. You're gonna feed your baby breakfast? You're gonna feed baby? Oh my gosh. And the bottle? Oh
Look at the
God.
stroller.
Yeah, you should check out the stroller. Take your baby for a stroll. Oh my goodness. You've always wanted one of those. Wow. Yeah, go ahead and push her. Go push your baby. Yeah, you can put the doggy there too, if you want. Yeah.
You already have a baby in there, Presley.
Okay, that's gonna work. Go.
You got twins.
Oh my gosh. Oh, hold on. There's another baby. Wow. And a bed. Little bear, yeah. Baby. She's overwhelmed. There's so much fun stuff. She doesn't know what to grab and what to do. Take your stroller for a ride. Ran right into Papa.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Presley, do you like your presents? Do you like what Santa brought you? Yeah, Santa came. That's right. Yeah, that guy. Merry Christmas. She's overwhelmed. She doesn't know what to do.